And then the last one is the goat honey, also ripened for 4 to 5 months. The special thing about this cheese is, first of all, it won a lot of prizes. So International Cheese Awards, the World Cheese Awards. So we're very proud about that. And next to that, it has a little bit of sweetness as well, because it's ripened in honey and there's honey inside. But it's elegant. It has not the really that coatiness to it, and that's why a lot of people really like it and also dare to try it. So when you sample it, people instantly say, okay, I would like to try that because it's something new, especially for people that haven't been eating a goat cheese. And that's a cheese that goes well with the Sauvignon wine, but also to a salad, for instance, when you make a salad with the goat cheese and a little bit of honey to it, and add your vegetables that you like, it's perfect.